What are you doing over there?
Put some damn gas in the truck.
We're out of gas.
My gas gauge don't work.
This gas gauge don't work. We ran out of gas on the side of the road, and luckily the boat had some gas in it, so we're gonna make it. But what's up, guys? We are going fishing today with the John Boat Warrior, licensed to chill charters. He also has a charter service, and this guy catches some tanks. If you're interested in getting on a good charter service, probably the best in the South Georgia region, got to check this guy out. And please go over and subscribe to his channel. He's got a YouTube channel. I'm going to put it at the end of the video and the description. But guess what, guys? We got new t-shirts. It's a big one. If you catch big bass, you need this shirt. Today, we're going to need this shirt because we're going to catch some tanks. I'm going to beat his PB, which is 14. Is it 14 or 13 pounds?
14. Almost 15.
Almost 15 pounds. Oh, man, that's going to be hard to beat. What'd I just say? We got to do a challenge. What kind of challenge are we going to do?
I don't know. What you want to do?
Loser has to drink a gallon of gas.
A gallon of gas? I don't know if that'd be very safe for you.
I'm not going to lose. All right, well, no, we got to think of something better than that. I got it. The loser has to walk back to the house. Walk back to the house. Yep, there we go. What you think?
I don't know about that one. Let's see if we got enough to make it there that week.
We might both be walking back to the house. All right, boys, let's go catch these tanks. We ain't even got the boat in the water yet, and he's got a feeling. We're gonna stop and throw right here off the bank. He's got a feeling we're gonna catch one off the bank. Let's see. Let's see about his feeling.
I think my feeling's gonna be right.
Guys, you ever go fishing? You just get a feeling about something. Something just tells you, throw over there, or I got a feeling about that bank over there. I've never fished there before, but you just get that feeling. When you get that feeling, you always listen to it. Always listen to your gut. This is John Boat fishing for you guys. He's got a big one with a frog, boys. Old frog bass, first one of the day. That's a solid 2.5.
Walmart special. $1.97.
There we go. That was a bite right there. Oh, damn it. Well, I missed one. First miss of the day. But I had a bite. He's got another one. You got the hook in that time. 3-0, guys. Looks like I'm going to be walking back so far. You got another one? Is he on there? Oh, yeah, he's on there. Was that 4? Number 4? Was that a fish? Where's the fish at? Oh, there he is. I thought he had a, oh, there is a fish. That is the smallest one of the day. Flare fish. He's got another one, boys. I don't think I haven't caught a fish yet. What the hell? If you don't quit catching fish up there. Shut up, duck. Duck, you're walking home. While he's fighting his fish, I'm gonna see if I can throw back over here in this hole and catch this other one. Oh, I got him. I think. Yep, I got him that time. I got him that time, boys. I finally caught one. Woohoo! First bass of the day. He's about a 12-pounder. Comment down below if you think this one is over 10. I'm pretty sure it's closer to 12. What do you think? I say he's about 10, 12 pounds. We're gonna throw her back. I think I'm gonna take advantage of this time so I don't have to walk back while you're stuck, and I'm gonna catch about 10 fish to catch up. Is he big? Got him? Oh, he picked it up again. Got him that time. Got him that time. Come here. Skied him across the water, boys. How many is that for me? 3 or 4? 3. Bass number?
I usually don't keep count.
I don't either.
I keep count. We go around.
I'll let you guys keep count. I thought it was bigger than that. Let's throw it back. He got him that time, boys. He got him that time. Another 10-pounder. Catching all the 10-pounders today. Oh, he grabbed it. He grabbed it. He grabbed it. There's another one. What is that, 4, 5? Got another one with old stick bait. He's got one. Is that a good one? It's another little one. Guys, we're just killing it now with these stick baits. So I'm using a clear colored stick bait. This is like a smoke blue. It's just weightless. I've got a 5/0 hook on here so that way this thing sinks a little bit quicker. And he's using a watermelon stick bait. We're just throwing these things out and jerking it and pausing it, jerking it and pausing it, and getting these bites. Sometimes on the pause and sometimes on the jerk. He's also been catching them flipping. He's got one with the rattle trap, boys. Is it a good one? It's a brim. He's got one, all right. Guys, it's freezing and it's raining and we're getting soaking wet. And we're catching fish. Oh, he grabbed it. Did you get it? Got him. Got him. Got him. Got another little one. I couldn't see if he grabbed it or not. Yeah, he's probably about 8 pounds. Throw her back. I'm gonna chunk this chatterbait a few times though. See if I can't pick up a... Oh, there he is. There he is. It's a good one. It's a good one. It's a good one. Biggest one of the day, boys, with the chatterbait. Now don't be looking at my secret chatterbait, what I did to it. I'll show you guys. I can't show him since we're in a contest. I don't want to walk home, but see my secret there? Add a little extra ump to it. Biggest one of the day. Let's throw it back. We are soaking wet and we're going to get some dry clothes and then maybe come back fishing because I think they're going to be biting. So we caught a bunch of fish here. He caught most of his fish flipping. He was using a 1/2 ounce tungsten, a little crawl, and he was just flipping in little pockets. I didn't catch any fish flipping. I ended up catching all my fish with a stick bait, weightless, with a 5/0 hook, jerking that thing on top of the water, and the bass were just coming up and nailing it. Oh, but it's cold and we're wet and we're going to get out the boat. And hey, we're also sinking. Look at this. Look at all the water in the bottom of the boat. Every time, guys, every time I lean this way, the boat almost goes under the water there. Look, it almost goes under the water. All right, we'll update you whenever we get to the next place, wherever that may be.